Is astrology a science or a mere belief system? A captivating question that has baffled the minds of many for centuries. Astrology, the study of the movements and relative positions of celestial bodies interpreted as having an influence on human affairs and the natural world. It's a belief that the position of the stars and planets at the time of your birth somehow shapes your personality, influences your relationships, and predicts your future. As we delve deeper into the world of astrology, it's important to understand its ancient roots. Astrology has been around for thousands of years, finding its origins deeply ingrained in the civilizations of old. It first took shape in ancient Mesopotamia, serving as an interpretative tool for divine messages from the gods. The Greeks, known for their rich mythology and philosophy, adopted astrology from the Babylonians and added their own interpretations to it. Their understanding of the cosmos and the divine was deeply interwoven with the celestial bodies they observed in the night sky. The Romans, in their expansive empire, further spread astrology, integrating it into their culture and daily life. They believed in the influence of the stars and planets on their fortunes, their fates, and their very character. So as we gaze upon the night sky, let's remember that those same twinkling stars have been a source of fascination, guidance, and mystery for our ancestors. They prompted them to seek answers, to create stories, and to find meaning in the cosmos. These celestial narratives have transcended time, continuing to captivate us today. Now contrast astrology with science. Science is a systematic and logical approach to discovering how things in the universe work. It uses the scientific method, which is a series of steps followed by scientific investigators to answer specific questions about the natural world. It involves careful observation, applying rigorous skepticism about what is observed, given that cognitive assumptions can distort how one interprets the observation. Astrology, on the other hand, does not follow the scientific method. There is no controlled experimentation that can test its hypotheses. Its predictions are vague and non-falsifiable, allowing for any outcome to be interpreted as evidence of its correctness. Astrology does not build upon a body of knowledge that progresses over time. It is static, providing the same interpretations that have been used for centuries, with no regard for the advancement of human knowledge. Astrology and science, though both intriguing, stand poles apart. One is a belief system that has remained unaltered throughout the ages, ignoring the progress of human knowledge. The other is a systematic methodology, continuously evolving, always questioning, always testing, and always seeking the truth. In this discourse, we have examined the stark differences between astrology and science, highlighting the unscientific nature of astrology. We've delved into the core of science, its systematic and logical approach, and its rigorous skepticism. We've contrasted this with astrology's vague predictions, non-falsifiable hypotheses, and its static nature. Remember, the universe is vast and mysterious, filled with infinite wonders. It invites us to explore, to question, to seek answers. So as we gaze at the stars, let us not just look for predictions and patterns, but for the beauty and the awe they inspire, for the curiosity they spark, and for the knowledge they hold. After all, the cosmos is not just about the stars that influence our lives, but about the stars that we are yet to discover and understand. Astrology, despite its unscientific nature, is a lucrative industry. It thrives on our innate curiosity and our yearning for answers, turning the cosmos into a marketplace. Astrologers, horoscope writers, even app developers, all have found ways to monetize the stars, offering predictions and guidance at a price. And we, the consumers, willingly pay, driven by the desire to understand our place in the universe. In the end, as much as astrology is about the stars, it's also about the earthly business of supplying and satisfying human curiosity.